Hey guys, just wanted to talk to you about a new trading robot experiment using the FRZ breakout train robot. This is a train robot which we had tried in the past and it is completely free. The only thing that I have done is create an optimization for this on the euro dollar on the 1 minute time frame, which has been going really well. So just want to show you what this looks like. So we go to the chart. This is the live account on IC Markets. It started off 0.01 lots, and I saw the results were just really, really good. So I think it was around here. You can see the big jump here when I then changed it to 0.03 lots. So it is quite a big jump. It is 3 times larger than I was trading before, but still, it is doing really well. It does say 87% drawdowns, and I did wonder about this because the highest I saw here was 3, 4. So if you click on drawdown, it says on June the 21st, it was actually 6.64. So I'm not sure if that's a mistake. I'm not sure what's happening there, but I'm certainly not seeing it in the graph here. This one shows a -4, 3 to -4. That's about 7%, which is in line with around here, around 7%. So I'm not sure where the 80% came through. And then I also had this running on a demo account. In fact, this was the first account that I used. It was a demo just to see how it would work on demo, and 15% drawdown. You see it's made a 28% gain. Most drawdown was here, but ever since, except for this little blip here, it's literally had no drawdown. It's run all the way through April, June. It's done really, really well. So what I decided to do, and I got this idea because I have talked about going to high risk before, and I have talked about making regular withdrawals on the account because when you're trading high risk, you do expect the account to blow at some point. And the idea is you trade high risk and you keep taking money out. So what I've done is I've got a new one. It's called FRZ High Risk. I put reset for 200 because I got this idea from someone on a forum, and they said that they traded almost like 5 different systems, all really high risk, all grid martingale type systems, which inevitably will blow up your account. And what this person does is he just every Friday he takes out any of the profits which have been made just to leave the residue in there. So every Friday, if it's got 300 in there, he'll take out the 100. And he was doing this over and over again. And it could be 3 or 4 times, sometimes 10 times, but you can do this before the account blows up. So this is what I've decided to do. I'm going to use, as you see, another real account is IC Markets. I was hoping to put $200 in there, but the account which I did have had just a little bit over $200. This was an account which I used for something else before, and I thought, well, let's repurpose it because the previous train robot that I was using for the account was not doing so well. Let's try some high risk trading. And as you can see, I've had a 50%, almost 50% return on this already. And this is only in 3 trades. It is just $220, $230. I've gone up 0.10 lot, which is obviously massive for this type of account. But I've managed to make almost 100, over 113 pips, which has resulted in a 49% gain. So I am hoping it will keep doing this, and on Friday, which is tomorrow, I will take out the profits that it has made. So perhaps I'll just take out the 49% that has made, which is not bad because even if it crashed, then I've only lost 50% since I've already taken out 50%. I just want to show you what this looks like. So these are a couple of trades before. We made another sell trade, took profit there. We've got another sell trade running live right now. So these are the previous trades from different trading robots. So if you do look at this, it will say something like, it is using a custom start date, and that's fine because these are previous trading results from a previous robot. We've only really started here on the 13th, which was yesterday. It's now the 14th, and it's made 49% on these 3 positions so far. Got another position open. It's this sell trade that's open here. So I'm just going to let it run and see what happens. But the idea is, yes, I'm just take out money every Friday and see how much money we could take before the account blows up. It's a strategy that I have seen other traders do is run on high risk grid martingale systems, keep taking out the profit, and see what happens. So yeah, just want to show you this. If you would like the optimization for the FRZ breakout scalper, it is available on our Patreon site. I will provide a link in the video description box below if you are interested. And also, I'll provide a link to this trading robot. It is free. It does cost absolutely nothing, and you are free to download and use it. And I will also provide the link to this trading robot, the FRZ breakout scalper. I am using it on MT4, as you can see. There is a version for MT5 as well. The optimization that I have is only for the MT4, but you can adapt it so that it works for MT5. And just make sure you back test it and get the same results just to ensure that it is the same. That's it for today's video. Always good to look at different options and different ways of trading. Let's see how this experiment works. I know it's high risk, it's not for everybody, but it's just good to open your eyes to what is possible. Okay, have a good Thursday and happy trading.